Good morning class 8. This is your last video of chapter number 1. Today we will be studying tree topology. It is a generalized form of transmission which is a branched cable without closed loops. All computers are connected so as to form a tree-like structure. Or computer connected so as to form a tree-like structure. Tree structure has a root node. Tree structure has a root node, intermediate nodes and leaves. Root node is the main or head node. Got it? Root node is the main or head node of the structure and leaves are the last nodes which has no further childs. This structure is arranged in a hierarchical form. Hierarchical form means tree form. Any nodes can have any number of the child nodes. Any node can have number of child nodes. Okay, there is no restriction. In this network transmission form, one workstation is received by all workstations on the network. If one workstation is received any information, all the connected workstation will be receive all that information. Okay. Now you can see in this diagram, this is your tree topology. This is your main node or head node. Okay, and this is intermediate node and this is your leaf nodes. Leaf node has no further child nodes. Got it? If any information got by head node, then it will be sent to intermediate nodes. Intermediate nodes will be sent to leaf nodes. Got it? Now, advantages of tree topology. The failure of one workstation does not affect the overall network. If one workstation is failed out beta, so it will not affect the overall network because it is separately we can be removed. Okay, it is supported by all the hardware and software. All hardware and software supported to tree structure. Disadvantage of tree topology: it is costly and complex. You know, tree topology is costly and complex because it is difficult to designing. It is more difficult to configure. Its designing is more difficult. Got it? Now fifth is mesh topology. Mesh topology connects all devices computer to each other for redundancy and fault tolerance. Unnecessary redundancy means unnecessary repeating data. Okay, it is used in WANs to interconnected LANs and for mission critical like those used by. It is mainly used in banks and financial institution. Okay, and it is very expensive and difficult to maintain and difficult to designing. This is your mesh topology. You can see in mesh topology, point to point connection. You can see one computer connected by 2 is connected by 3 is 4 and 5 and 2 6. Now, all these connectors are connected by each other. Okay, so it gives a guarantee. It gives a guarantee to sending information. There is no fault tolerance. Okay, got it? If any message is not sent, there is no chances for missing of messages. Okay, because it provides us point to point connections. Now, advantage of mesh topology: fault tolerance. Easily we can found our any type of fault. Guaranteed communication channel capacity. I have told you that it's provide point-to-point communication. It is provide guaranteed communication channels capacity. Easy to troubleshoot. Easily we can solve our problem. Okay. Now disadvantage of mesh topology: difficult to installation. Beta, it is very difficult to installation because it has many cables. We are using many cables. Okay, and reconfiguration. Cost of maintaining redundant link. Got it? Now come on page number 16. Multiple choice question is your homework. Okay. Fill in the blanks, true, false, and match the columns also your homework. Very short question answers, short answer type question and long answer type question. I will provide you in PDF. You have to write in your computer notebook copy. Okay. Thank you, student. Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay home.